Good Wednesday morning, everybody. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dave Fraley.
Good to see you this morning. I'm Stephanie Simmons. Kimberly and Cheetah have the day off. Pat Kaplan and Jennifer Reyna are here, though, for weather and traffic on the ones at 5:01 as we approach that. Pat, you're up first.
Yeah, temperatures are the big story this morning because that's going to make the difference between a cold and wet morning and an icy morning out there. 37 at Bush, 36 Tomball. Notice that when you go north and west, temperatures flirting with that freezing mark, and it is a mess here along I-35. Complete impossible travel. That's also the case along 290 just outside of Washington County, and 45 as you go to the north as well. In the city and points around it, just a light rain, if that, low clouds and cold temperatures. Out towards Columbus, we had some freezing drizzle earlier. That's now lifted into Washington County. It's just on the outside here from Carmine up towards Somerville, and then farther to the north in northern Grimes into Walker County. We did have some frozen precip up towards Crabs Prairie and Pine Prairie earlier. That's now lifted to the north. Iola here out towards Highway 90, we're seeing some light freezing rain. That's going to lead to a glaze. And down into Navasota, where our Michelle Choi is, radar is quiet right now, but Michelle, it looks like the ground is wet. Have you seen any ice out there this morning?
Hey Pat, good morning. Well, so far no ice out here, but the temps are definitely dropping. I can tell you it is very, very cold. Just a few temperatures above freezing at this point. But the conditions not too bad. You can see that it's a little wet behind me, but it's not icing over just yet. However, where we're headed is College Station. We're about 20 minutes out. Take a look at this video. I'm told sleet is coming down there. That's according to a firefighter I ran into here at this gas station who lives there. This is his car. You can see it's iced over. He tells me the surface streets are okay in College Station. He didn't see any major problems as he was headed into work in Montgomery. However, he did tell me that TxDOT was out there all afternoon treating the roads. So good news there. Of course, officials are asking folks to stay off the roads if possible this morning in the Brazos County area. Schools, including Texas A&M, are also closed today. As for our drive up here, well, I can tell you it wasn't bad. However, roads were wet and slick, and it was definitely windy. So again, if you don't have to make your drive up here or anywhere west or north, definitely recommend that. I can also share that I believe folks are heeding to that warning officials are asking because we did not see a lot of cars. Traffic was very light along 290 and Highway 6. Now, in about half an hour, we are hoping to arrive in College Station and bring you another live report from there on the conditions there. Until then, Jen, how are the roads looking in Houston?
Yeah, great job, Michelle. I mean, everybody who's here in town are like breathing that sigh of relief, but you are exactly right. A lot of our state is going to be on the harsh side, wherever you see the pink areas. I hope you don't have travel plans via a vehicle in those directions, San Marcos, Austin, all the way up through Waco and the Dallas area. As a matter of fact, I just took these camera shots from TxDOT in Austin and in Dallas. This would be a shot in Austin. This is I-35. You can actually see the icicles coming down from the camera there. So I had no doubt that there are icy conditions on the roadways. And this is a shot on the northwest side of Dallas, but you can just see all of the precipitation that has hit the ground and then turned into icy and snow conditions. I-10 East Freeway, we're talking right here in H-Town at Crosby Lynchburg. Nice, and on the drier side, you can see traffic easily moving east and westbound, so I'm really happy to report that here in the East Tex Freeway, San Jacinto River. If you're coming in from Kingwood, it'll be a 20-minute drive to reach downtown Houston. Guys, back to you.
Jen, thank you. This morning, Texans across the state are waking up to snowy and icy conditions as the winter storm moves through.
Yeah, we're seeing, as you saw, those images from West Texas and Austin, as well as the Dallas area and East Texas. Our team coverage begins near San Antonio.
I'm Hannah Tita reporting in downtown Boerne, just north of San Antonio. This scenic small city nestled in the hill country has been hit by a winter storm, producing wet roads, slippery bridges, and a frosty landscape. A lot of that has cleared up now, but the worst of this weather could be coming as temperatures are already below freezing and more rain is expected overnight. Schools have canceled and so have businesses and government buildings. Reporting in Boerne, I'm Hannah Tita.
I'm Darrenisha Heron in Northwest Austin. Parts of Highway 183 right here behind me have been closed all day long due to ice. Emergency management crews here in Williamson County say they've responded to over 70 crashes. That's the same for Travis County. Brine on the road has been washed away by the rain, but that has also helped some of the ice to melt. Crews are out reapplying that brine. In Northwest Austin, I'm Darrenisha Heron.
Whenever there's a severe weather event, we all get a little nervous about the state's power grid holding up. But as you can see from ERCOT, the grid currently has enough supply to meet demand. Governor Abbott says if people do experience any outages, it will likely be from down power lines rather than grid issues. Meanwhile, the winter weather is also having an impact on flights this morning. So here's a look at FlightAware's misery map. Right now, we're seeing 54 delays and 93 cancellations. And we're staying on top of the winter storm, so if you are planning to drive, be sure to check out the KHOU 11 app for weather and traffic conditions across the state.